Hi, my name is Ara, and today I'm going to show you how to tie the obi for a Japanese summer robe called a yukata. Okay, let's begin. So today I'm going to use this. It's called an obi-ita. You don't need it, but it will help keep your obi nice and smooth. So today I'm going to use it. I'm going to clip this behind my back. Okay, next is the obi. So take one end and fold it in half so that the opening faces your neck. Put it over your shoulder, about this much. Then open it up right here so that way you create a triangle. Now we're going to rotate our body and wrap the obi around our torso. Stop here, use your left hand, take your finger and put it right here. Then grab this section with your right hand and tighten. Now wrap the obi around one more time. Okay, now let's tighten the same way. Left hand, inside, right hand, hold the bottom. Tighten. And lastly, hold the short end and the long end and pull out. Now, let's tie a knot. Fold this section diagonally. Take the short section, put it down, and wrap it around, and tie a knot. Now take the end of the long section and measure it against your body. This will be the size of our bow. Then fold it inwards like this. And when you run out of fabric, just press that against your body. Then, gathering all of the layers, fold it in half. Now fold the bottom and the top to the middle. Taking the short section, wrap it around the bow and up through the hole. Pull it tight. Then wrap it around one more time. Take the extra fabric and tuck it between your obi and the obi-ita. And if you can, grab it from underneath and pull down to hold the bow up. Now fix your bow, make sure it's balanced. So now take your right hand and hold the bow. Take your left hand and grab the side at the bottom where you have two layers. Then we're going to rotate clockwise, going in the direction of your outer collar because we don't want to open it up when we rotate. So two hands and rotate. Rotate until the bow is in the center of your back. Then let's fix the front so everything is lined up. And you're finished. Okay, let's see how we did. Now it's your turn to try. Thanks so much for watching.